Colorado will announce 5 more winners of the Comeback Cash Scholarship, which encourages young people to get vaccinated. But there are new questions this morning about whether college students should be required to get COVID-19 vaccinations to go to school in the fall. Denver 7's education reporter Nicole Brady is kicking off our 360 coverage. Nicole, CU's Board of Regents will take up this resolution today.
Yeah, the resolution was brought by one regent, Chance Hill, who told us while he's vaccinated himself, he doesn't think the shot should be a requirement for students to get an education this fall.
Doing that mainly for ethical, administrative, and really what amount to very legitimate legal considerations, particularly given the fact that this vaccine currently is operating under what's called the emergency use authorization phase. It is still not FDA approved.
The University of Colorado issued a response to Chance Hill saying, "We issued our vaccine requirement based on detailed engagement with state and local health departments as well as medical and infectious disease experts on the CU campuses. We believe the science behind the vaccines is compelling and they've been proven to be safe and effective." University officials also told us that state law and CU policy does allow people to opt out for religious, medical, or personal reasons, but Hill disagrees with the opt-out policy as well.
If the underlying policy is a mandate, then again, it's putting the burden on the individual. And I don't think that's appropriate. I don't think that's the proper role of a public university, again, particularly against a backdrop when it is still not FDA approved.
So right now, the University of Colorado, Colorado State University, University of Northern Colorado, the University of Denver, and Fort Lewis College have all announced policies requiring COVID-19 vaccinations for students. CU's Board of Regents, though, will meet this afternoon, and they are expected to discuss Regent Hill's resolution. So we'll let you know if anything changes, Brian.
Yeah, we'll see if it holds. Thank you, Nicole. Colorado Community College will not require a COVID-19 vaccine this fall. The school made that announcement back in April. Officials say as community college students are more likely to work part-time or full-time jobs, be parents, and have limited resources, CCCS seeks to remove barriers to educational pursuits and serve all learners as student-ready institutions. The Colorado Community College system has 125,000 students at 13 colleges and 38 locations. So we know there are different perspectives on this issue as well.
Several of you have weighed in over the past few weeks on our Facebook page. Skylar B. writes, "This is 100% proof that universities are indoctrination sites, not educational." Felicia says, "People get upset over this, yet universities everywhere require other vaccines, especially if you're dorming."
Jeff writes, "Let's see how far enrollment drops this year." And Cody says employers should also require the COVID vaccine too. It should be no vaccine, no job. We want to hear what you think. Do you think universities and colleges should require the coronavirus vaccine? You can email us at 360@thedenverchannel.com.